Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up NPV Tunnel VPN with SSH settings. You can call it Slow DNS settings. So in case you need to set up this app with Slow DNS settings to get a secure connection and also to enhance on your online activities, this video is for you. So this app NPV Tunnel has a lot of connection methods. So for today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up its Slow DNS settings to enhance, to secure your connection, and also to add extra protection when you are online. So first of all, you must install the app from Google Play Store. So the app is already there. So open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach there, you search for NPV Tunnel. So this app is already there. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app. Make sure to install the app. And also make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And also, if you are new on the channel, you are also welcome. And on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. And also this app NPV Tunnel, it will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online, just in case you follow the setup and you set it correctly, it will perfectly work. So please use VPNs responsibly, and also make sure to follow your local laws so that you don't violate them. So to begin the tutorial, to create this NPV Tunnel configurations, you must obtain one SSH account. So when you install the app, it will ask you to add a configuration. So to create a configuration, you must create one from any of your preferred browsers. So you open Chrome or any of the browsers you have. Then this is how to create one SSH account or a Slow DNS account. So visit SSH Ocean and pick this link which directs you to the SSH Ocean. So this is where we are gonna create our Slow DNS account, which will help us to set up the NPV Tunnel VPN to secure our online connection, to add extra protection, and also to enhance on our online activities when we are online. So when you reach on this website SSH Ocean, make sure to click on the menu button, the three lines, and among the presented options you pick services and you opt for SSH Slow DNS. So the website will load. So the website will display a list of servers where you must pick one. So make sure to pick a server. You must pick one of the presented servers. So you pick a server near to your location, and when you pick it, you click on Get Started below the server. So when you reach the app, this website will take you to another page where you need to confirm when the server is online, and also you confirm if it has the remaining counts. Also you'll be able to see the server validity and the protocol. So after that you click on Get Started to proceed. So from here you'll be required to enter username, also enter password and verify reCAPTCHA. Then after that you click on Get Started. So let's do it very fast. And as we enter these credentials, let me ask any new viewer watching us for the first time that in case you are new on the channel, we request you to subscribe on this channel and you will not miss any of our future coming content. Comment in the comment section where you need help. And when you subscribe, you won't miss any of our future coming content. So after entering a username and also a password, actually you enter a username and a password, then you verify I'm not a robot or you capture. Then you click on get started. And when you click on get started, this website will take you to another page, and on this page you will see that your account will be successfully created. As you can see, account has been successfully created. So we have successfully created the account, the Slow DNS account, and this account will help us to set up the NPV Tunnel app. To set it up, to help us to set up the NPV Tunnel in order to achieve a super fast SSH connection, and also to enhance on our online activities when we are using the app. So what you have to do, you must copy the account details just like this. You copy all, and then you open any notes app in your device. So from here you save somewhere your account details. So make sure to get one of the notes, or you can do it the way you save somewhere these account details. So from here you copy and transfer the account details to NPV Tunnel. So first of all, you copy, you save this account details, then you open the NPV Tunnel. So when you open the NPV Tunnel, you tap on config, and when you tap config, it will take you to here where you need to add a configuration. So you tap add configuration, then you tap on add config manually, then you select SSH config, and where you see protocol, you must pick a protocol. So you tap right here, and among the presented you pick SSH DNS TT as your connection method. So this connection method is known as the Slow DNS method. It helps you to secure connection and to enhance on your online activities. So this is the setup, and as we proceed, in case you are still watching up to this minute, please like, share and subscribe on the channel. When you do so, you are helping this channel to grow, and you are helping this video to move to a wider audience of people who require the same knowledge so that they can secure their connection. So where you see remarks, you require to enter any username. So let's put SSH Slow DNS as our remarks. Then where you see SSH host, you must paste here the SSH host. All this information is provided in our Slow DNS account we recently created. So simply open or go where you saved the account details and copy. So from here you copy the host name, make sure to be accurate. So make sure to be accurate in whatever you do as we are setting up this. So you copy just like that, you copy the host name, then you paste it right here. So you paste it in the SSH host field just like that. Then the port, you must enter the SSH port. You go back and you locate the SSH port. So this is the port 22. You copy and then you paste it right here. So that's the port 22. Then you bring in the username, SSH username. All this information is provided in our SSH account. So you come here, then you copy where you see username, then you copy, then you paste it right here. So make sure to be accurate and follow the on-screen instructions. So from here you must enter a password. It's also provided on the website or where we save the account details. So you copy the password, then you enter it right here, the password. So after doing that, you are required to pick here the DNS TT mode. You can leave it in the UDP. So UDP is fast in data transmission. You can use that, or you can use any of the presented. So you pick any, and here you must enter the resolver. So it is already provided, so you can put it right there. You can put the default one. So after putting there the resolver, you must enter here the name server. So name server is already provided, so you just check your account details and you locate it. So make sure to follow me so that you don't make any mistakes. So when you come here, you can see that name server. So you copy right here. So you copy, as you can see. Then you go back to NPV Tunnel and you successfully paste it there. The other thing you must bring in is the public key. So it's already provided. Go back where you save the account details, and where you see DNS public key, you copy what is there. Make sure to be accurate and you paste it right here. So after doing these simple settings, make sure that you are accurate and you click on save. So when you click on save, the app will save your settings, and that's how we set up this app with SSH Slow DNS. And after doing that, you go back, or you tap on this configuration. It will be shown right here. So you tap on it, then you tap on home, and right away you will be able to establish a connection by tapping on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, the app will be connected. So that's how we set up NPV Tunnel with SSH Slow DNS to secure our online connection and enhance on our online activities when we are online. So please like, share and subscribe on this channel. So if the connection fails, you can change a server, and also you can cross-check your settings so that you are accurate. So that's how we set up NPV Tunnel to achieve a stable and a secure connection when we are online. Please like, share and let's meet again. Subscribe on this channel for more content.